Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have REDMAGIC 9S Pro and I want to show you how see available random access memory on this device. To see that, open Settings application, scroll down and choose About Phone selection. In it, we must find our build number and tap sometimes to activate our develop mode. To do it, enter our look screen to get connected, and now we are developed. Where we need to do it to see our available storage, we can go back and choose System and Updates, where we have new developer options. In it, memory, and there we have information about our available random access memory that now we have 13 gigabytes. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!